Alright, so we've seen a whole lot about Canva. You've seen it's very, very, very easy. You've seen it's been a very, you can see that it's a very amazing and wonderful tool to run your graphic design stuffs on, right? You can make lots and tons of designs, logos, and all of it. With all we've seen in the several and preceding lessons, let's now look at creating amazing stuffs on social media using Canva. Now we'll look at the different social media platforms and the different thumbnails that you need to create, or you need to align your designs to on each of these social media platforms. For instance, you're making a post, you're making a reel, you're making a video, the size differs for each of them. So quickly, when you're in your Canva, you just simply go here and search for social media. All right, great. Remember, it should be home. It should be on home at the bottom there. If you look at the top here, you can also see social media here. So I can just click on it there. You can see, just like we saw in the previous one, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. But there's another way I want us to look at this. Let's type social media up there. All right, go to type, click on type. Okay, it should be on templates here. On templates, or you click on all templates, go to social media. Then on social media you can see the different categories you can work with: Instagram posts, Instagram stories, Instagram reels, Facebook posts, Facebook covers, Facebook ads. Just pick the one you want to work with. Let's go with the first one, Instagram posts. Click on it and then wait for it. All right, great. It gives you tons of samples of designs you can pick from to create your Instagram posts. So whatever business you're into, you can do that. Remember, if you go up here, you can also customize a few things. Go to format. You can see you can change it how you want it to look like, square, or you want it to be portrait. You can apply both. You can go to style, how you want it to look like, modern style, photos, illustrations. When you click on that, the search result is always different. So I like us to leave it at the way it came. Leave it on default. Take this out, click on apply. Yeah, leave it on default. Okay, great. So as I scroll through, I would find several Instagram posts I can pick from. So depending on what you're into, so if you're into creating online courses like I am into, you can click on this, wait for it to quickly load up. Yeah, Canva is a low bandwidth online app that it doesn't require so much of internet to be able to work, right? Even a very poor internet connectivity should be able to take you through some activities on it. So why choose us? Why choose me? In this case, I say why choose me. I can now blow my trumpet. I'm a seasoned web developer and content creator. My lessons are super easy to follow through, and my lessons are super easy to follow through, and you are guaranteed you are guaranteed 100% 100% learning rate. Yeah, let me put it that way. Okay, so I can then exit from here. Right, let me make it look a bit cool. Remember some of the stuffs we've learned in our previous lessons. Go to format, center, let me centralize it, come here, X, edit, put my name there, Stan EK, let me abbreviate it, Stan EK, yep. Okay, great. Get started. Price, so I would say okay, so price is $2. I can say starting at let me put the word starting at $2. So I need to take this to the right a bit, format right, great. Then this, duplicate, drag it down here, edit, and I say starting at right, great, starting at $2. What's the duration? Flexible, right? Online and flexible. Classes are online and flexible. Okay, once again I want this to look good, so I'll go to format, I will choose center, I will stretch this out a bit and drag this down a bit. Yeah, great. So I have this. Okay, let's join us. Okay, so my handle at real Stan Ikechukwu, email address is jabulanitech.com.ng. So info at jabulanitech.com.ng. Get started now. Yep. So shrink this now. I just have to increase. I have to increase the frame behind it. Stretch it out a bit. Then bring the word, stretch it, put it here, then drag this. No, I'm gonna drag the middle, not all the words I want to drag. Okay, zoom out a bit, then drag this part. Yeah, beautiful. Then zoom in again, align it, and perfect. Okay, great. I think this is just fine. Oh, one more thing. This is not Stan EK, so I'll go look for my picture definitely. So I'll click on this image and click on replace, and quickly load up. It's gonna pick from, so I go to photos. No, if I go to photos, I'll be picking from Canva's world of images, right? So I'll go to uploads. Let me go to uploads and go look for myself. Okay, so I had to go get a picture, and now I've added the picture here. I can resize it like we learned how to resize, and perfect. So I have a flyer or a poster for my online course. So I can increase this. Yep, I don't like this pinky, so I go to color and I change it to this. Go to this, change it to this. Great. And of course change it to this. So now, if what Canva does is an AI feature in Canva. If you want to change all of a particular color to a specific color, you can do that. See, I started changing all the pinks to a light gold, right? And now it's asking me, do I want to change all? So once you tap that, it changes all, everywhere it finds a particular pink on text, changes it to the new color you want. So I want to change this to this. See, so it's saying, do you want to change all white now to this? Because it was a white, I changed to gold. So once I click yes, it's going to change every right up here that has white on it to gold. This is what it does. Can you see? Looks beautiful, right? Okay, yeah, so I'll leave it that way. Okay, what else? I think I'm pretty good to go now, right? So like we've learned in the other lessons, you can play around all of the contents here, resize them to what they want, what you want them to look like. Now to download, you just click on the arrow at the top there, click on the arrow at the top and go straight to download your work. Alright, so see you in another lesson.